Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome, and to all my old subscribers, you're welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my wash day routine before I put on a protective style. As you can see, you can't even see my scalp right now, and my hair is so itchy with product buildup. So I am going to go ahead and do my normal wash day routine, and in today's video I'll be using my ORS clarifying shampoo, and I'm also going to use a new hair conditioner, and I'll be doing deep conditioning treatment with my ORS mayonnaise. So keep on watching and watch to the end. Like I told you guys before, I'm going to put a passion twist on my hair, and I'm getting ready to do that. So I ended up washing my hair with shampoo twice. I forgot to show the second shampoo that I used. This first shampoo I used was actually stripping. It's a clarifying shampoo, so when I finished washing my hair with it, my hair felt very dry. My hair felt stiff, if I may say. So I went ahead to use a more moisturizing shampoo for the second wash. So I just finished washing my hair, and if you look closely, you will see my new growth. I really can't wait to get my next relaxer. I am so excited for it, and I'm waiting patiently for that day. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. I want to section my hair into 4 parts to help me blow dry my hair faster, because my hair is big and it's always stressful to blow dry my hair. And the reason why I actually went ahead to blow dry my hair today was because I wanted my hair straight without using a flat iron. And I'll be blow drying my hair with only my sunflower oil. I don't have a heat protectant anymore. I've not been able to go to the store to look for one, so I'm going to use only my sunflower oil to blow dry my hair. I don't want a lot of products on my hair right now, since I'm going to put my hair in a protective style to avoid itching. So yeah, that's it for this video basically. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just watch through to the end if you want to watch me blow dry my hair. guys, looking at my ends right now, I really need to trim off those ends. I can't wait to trim it off. I'm always tempted to trim it off by myself because I've not seen a proper salon that will trim my hair without cutting off all my hair. But I am thinking of waiting till my next relaxer before trimming my hair. I don't know if I'll be patient enough till then, but if I can't, I am going to make a separate video of me trimming off my ends because I really need to trim them off. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.